Hello! In this lesson we are going to learn the Norwegian alphabet. The Norwegian alphabet consists of 29 letters, 9 vowels, and 20 consonants. Vowels are letters such as A, E, I, U. Consonants are letters such as F, M, N, P, K. Now we are going to learn how to pronounce all the letters. Try to repeat each letter as you hear it. Spend as much time as you need on this lesson, because this is going to make a good base for your Norwegian pronunciation. As you can see, the Norwegian alphabet consists of the same letters used in the English alphabet and 3 additional vowels: A, Ö, Å. Now listen and repeat.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Æ, Ø, Å,